Okay, so this is going to be guideline, cross lines. Can you draw side line a little bit lower than middle? Because we're going to draw really nice round, big manga eyes right here, okay? Then let's start drawing her eyebrows first. So this personality, like I said in the beginning, it's going to be sweet, kind. So even her eyebrows show that personalities, okay? So goes down a little. Then we're going to draw semi eyelid line, little soft, maybe like more, have a little space here, okay? Then we're gonna start drawing actual main eyelid line. Looks like a rainbow shape, pretty much. Sorry, this one. Okay, here. So start with a really small, sharp, skinny one, and then go a little thicker. I'm gonna go slightly like this. Here. Kind of like, that's the shape I want you to create, okay? Go like this. Okay, here we go. Then the bottom part, whoops, sorry, I kind of stepped on something. Main eyelid goes not sharp like this, more curled up like that. And one, and let's add 3. 1, 2, 3. I think this is going to be good. Then I want you to start drawing actual eye, touched eyelid, okay? Because when sweet, kind, that personality, when they smile, even the smile's eyes got really soft shape. So in that case, eyelid, eye touched, and the bottom eyelid also closed in like that. You know what I mean? And then let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, like more bottom eyelashes here. And then can you draw main bubble here? And this is going to be black bubble. And then we're going to add a more shiny bubble on the side. One. Oh yeah, we did it. I did it like that too. Okay. Then I want you to draw same thing other side. But, okay, if you're not sure that, okay, maybe like a shape and a size, you're not sure what to do, you can add a more guideline. Okay, so that's this is a middle, right? This much, you know what I mean? And then you can sort of start adding more lines. Oh, this one get little, hold on, sorry, I kind of get too dynamic. This one, semi eyelid line, and the main eyelid line comes in, nice rainbow shape, right? Goes here. So start with a really skinny, really round here, right? And a bottom eyelash curled up, 2, 3. Okay. All right, then you're gonna draw same type of sweet squeezed eye, okay? Here. And the bottom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, main bubble. Black bubble is gonna be in the middle. More shiny bubble here. 1, 2, like that. And I think her nose is gonna be like this. Good. Then you are going to start inking, please. If you're enjoying this video, you love my new book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Chibi. There are tons of chibi step-by-step tutorials and tips for making your manga stories. Scan the QR code to get your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Ta-ta! These are colors I want you to use today. Mainly gray tone, little bit of pink, and neon yellow, and a gray color pencil. If you have a Copic markers, you're gonna use C series today. Pretty much, yeah. 4, 5, 6, and RV11, and maybe a little bit more pencil, stuff like that. And then let's start coloring. Here you go. Okay, so we're gonna start using, actually, yeah, sorry, I'm sorry. We're gonna use color pencil to add a little bit of nice shadow here like this. Okay, do you see? Over, you're gonna just pretty much trace the ink line, eyelid, eyelashes, kind of like this. More. And then this here, and then let's do other side. See, manga eyes, oh my gosh, you can spend hours. You know, like my graphic novel series Bounce Back, I created so many different type of eyelid shapes and then eye colors for each character, so it took forever. Just color just the eyes. I know, I mean, hair itself takes a long time, but the eyes, oh man. And a lot of authors, we show, you know, our own original styles through eyes. So today's style is, I'm going to show you something really classic, so you can just kind of customize, you know, design your own way later on. Okay, now I'm going to use a little like a lighter gray tone from here, not inside of bubble, but inside of a eye. And can you maybe color 2/3 of it and 1/3 on the bottom? Leave it out like this, and then let's do the same thing other side. Okay. Oh, one quick thing I forgot telling you. I hope it's not too late. This is if you're using alcohol, you know, like these markers, the ink is gonna bleed. So if you have extra papers underneath, that would be great, so it doesn't hurt your desk or table. Okay, all right. I should have told you earlier. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. Is this kind of even? I think so. Nice. Then we're gonna use pink. I like using a pink. You don't go all the way, but a little bit of inside of a outline of each eye. Kind of go through, follow just the line, kind of like that. Okay, and then maybe here, just a little, kind of like this, a little touch. Then let's use C5. Okay, so for this, I kind of want you to create the line here, kind of like this. This, here we go, more. See, did you see the way I color? Kind of like this. Okay, and you're gonna use C4 one more time, kind of mixing. Okay, mixing a little bit, blend. This kind of like alcohol markers, they blend well together. The more layers you add it, the color is gonna look really rich and vibrant. So yeah, try to use as much as possible, right? And then let's use darkest gray in the middle. Okay, and then more here. Okay, kind of like this. All right, then you're gonna use a coloring pencil, gray one, and I want to create kind of like this lines. Okay, from over here. So you're gonna show, you can see the lines here on light gray C4, right? The color, that part. Do you see? right? Then I want to use actual black markers or lines, and then just do same thing. Maybe after this here, this a bubble, middle black bubble. Okay. So you're just gonna just create more lines of layers, kind of like this. Okay, then last part. Now you're gonna use neon yellow, and then let's just add, hold on, rosy cheeks. Hi, that's it. Great job. Ta-da! We drew sweet manga eyes. This is the one I showed you in the beginning, the sample. This is the one we just drew today. Look at our kawaii eyes. I hope you enjoyed. And if you have any other facial expressions or manga characters you want to draw with me, yes, type it here. Request. Okay? Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you next video. One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!